Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro smartphone runs on Android v9.0 Pie operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core processor. It runs on the MediaTek Helio G90T chipset. It has 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro smartphone has an IPS LCD display. The screen has a resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels and 395 ppi pixel density. It has an aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9 and screen-to-body ratio of 84.75%. On camera front, the buyers get a 20MP front camera, and on the rear, there's an 64+8+2+2MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4500 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volt, NFC, and more. Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro smartphone price in India is likely to be Rs 14,090. Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro is speculated to be launched in the country on September 27, 2019, expected. As for the color options, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro smartphone may come in black, jade green, electric gray colors. The next in-depth review is coming soon. Please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.